Hey guys, today let's make super crispy and healthy snacks which is very special in Andhra. Almost in all the festivals they make it, which is pappu chekkalu or pappu billalu. So this is very healthy option for the kids. So this is very simple. You have to take 2 cups of rice flour. You can increase the quantity of rice flour if you want to make more pappu chekkalu. So in this you have to add some karam seeds, which is ajwain seeds. You have to crush it with your palm as shown in the video and add it. Now add some cumin seeds, turmeric, chili powder, dhania powder, salt as per the taste. Don't add much salt, otherwise your pappu chekkalu becomes too salty. Here I have soaked 2 tablespoons of moong dal for 1 hour. Now strain the entire water and add it. Now I am going to add 50 grams of butter, which is at room temperature. Now mix everything with your fingers gently. Now you can add any leaves of your choice. Here I have added coriander leaves. You can add curry leaves, or even if you want to make it more healthier, you can add methi leaves. So it should be of this consistency. Now add the normal temperature water. Here initially I have added leftover soaked moong dal water. Now I am adding normal water. No need of adding any hot water. So simply you have to add normal water. So while kneading the dough, you have to press it so that all the spices will get mixed nicely with the rice flour. This dough should not be too dry. It should be sticky dough. For me it took around half glass of water for 2 cups of rice flour. It depends on the cups which you are using. Now this is the perfect consistency of the dough. So you have to check if you are able to make balls. So now you have to cover this dough with some wet cloth. Now make balls. Grease your hand with oil and make balls. So now take any plastic cover which is good quality cover, apply some oil, and here I have taken masher. For this also you have to apply some oil. Now place the balls in between the cover and press gently. Don't do over pressing. If you do over pressing while removing from the cover, our chekkalu will get break. So gently you have to do this process. So here you can see easily it will get removed from the cover. Now you have to place this this chekkalu on a wet cloth. Now heat oil on medium flame. The oil should be very hot. Now I am checking if the oil got heated or not. So the oil is not heated well. Now here you can see immediately our chekkalu comes on the top of the oil so that our oil becomes hot. Now you have to add one by one. Don't add much chekkalu at a time. Add according to the shape of the kadai you are using. So the color, whichever the color you want, you have to take it out. I want a dark color chekkalu, so that only I am making it dark. So that's it. It's very easy. You also try at your home and let me know in the comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching.